Hey guys, it's time for the Tuesday Tech Tip. And in previous Tech Tips, I have showed you a couple of ways to save your battery life and charge it faster. And so in this one, I'm going to show you a way to save your data and not use as much data, not using more than you really need. I get that text, from my cell phone provider every couple of months. It says, you've used 75% of your data for this month. Do you want to buy more? There are a couple of things that you can do to keep that from happening just by turning off a couple of settings so that you're not using data for certain apps when you're not even using your phone. Okay, it's kind of like whenever apps run in the background and it wears your battery down. Well, you also have certain apps that are using data running in the background, and that sucks up some of your data. So one of the first tricks that I use, if you go into settings, and if you go to cellular, then down here, if you scroll down, it has all of the apps that you use cellular for. Now, there's some that like if you never use Find Friends, you can go ahead and turn that off. Google Maps, of course, I would use cellular for that. But you can turn it off when you're not using and go back to using it. Just different things that you don't want your cell data to be used for, like you only want to use it when it's on Wi-Fi. So like I could turn off that pick, play, post. Another thing, I think if you have your cellular data turned off for like a game and you're not on Wi-Fi playing it, like you're just on cell data and you're playing a game, then the ads won't show up because it has no way to get to the internet to pull those ads. So that's another way to save data and get rid of those annoying ads that pop up during your games. Okay, another trick that I use is going to General and in the Spotlight search. So Spotlight search, let me show you real quick. If you just pull down on your phone screen, you can type in the name of an app and it will come up, but you can also type in, like I type in DIY. Okay, if you'll look at my results, it pulls things from Pinterest. Okay, and this, if you're not on Wi-Fi, this is using cell data just to have those suggestions ready for whenever you type something in search. So it's kind of like your phone is looking at Pinterest while you're using cell data. As soon as you pull down, even if you're not going to search for something on Pinterest, you just want to search for a contact or an app. So the way to get rid of that is to go to settings, and I only use my Spotlight search if I'm trying to find a person's contact or a certain app, like on my iPad if I have a bunch of apps. But to get that turned off so it's not searching like Pinterest and Amazon and everything, you go to settings and then General and Spotlight search. Okay, and here are all the things that Siri is looking at whenever you just pull down on your phone screen to search something. Okay, so every time you pull down, Siri goes and looks at all of these apps so that it's ready to find whatever you're searching for. So if you turn these off, I'm just going to turn a couple off, then that's going to save your data whenever you want to search for something, because Siri won't look at it because she doesn't have access to look at it. Okay, so those are two quick tips on how to save your data on your phone, and so that you aren't going over data when by using things that you really don't even need to use. Okay, so I hope you have a great day and I hope you found this very helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I will do my best to help. Thanks.